Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use Flipgrid. So first thing is click on the link or the code, and if you're on a computer, it will take you to the question. And you click record a response, and it is so slow. Allow it to access your stuff. Ooh, pretty. All right, here we go. I'm going to press record and a little countdown to get ready. Blah, 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 blah. And you can add smileys. Or maybe not. And I'm done. And I'm going to click next. And I can edit a main clip or leave it as is. And then take a cool selfie. And this is how you know your video has gone through, because you have a confirmation and I'll be able to view it. Also, you can do Flipgrid on your phone. You're going to have to download the app. Looks like a plus sign. It's going to let me do this. All right, I have to log in with Google. So there's the question. Press the plus sign. Oh, there's Mrs. Rivas. So, and same thing, you're going to press record on there. And it's going to looks just like on the computer, and you press the arrow key again. And it's just like on saving my amazing video. Looks just like on and you can add stuff to it just like on the computer, and same screen. Give it name, label everything, submit it, and don't close the app until it says it's there. And I can see that I have both my videos there, the two beautiful videos I just made to demonstrate for you. If your computer does not have a microphone or a camera, you can record a video on a device and upload it as well. You have two options. Okie dokie. Bye bye.